In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your company information in the system efficiently and accurately. Updating this information is crucial for ensuring that your clients and business partners have the right details to contact you and for maintaining the integrity of your company's profile. Let's dive right into the process and make sure your details are accurate and up to date. First, you'll want to locate the gear icon. This is typically found at the top of your screen and often looks like a small cogwheel. Clicking on this icon will give you access to a range of settings relevant to your account. Once you've clicked on the gear icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, find the option labeled Account and Settings. Selecting this will direct you to a new window where you'll find several tabs, each representing different aspects of your account. For today, our focus will be on the Company tab. Once you select the Company tab, you will be able to view various fields pertaining to your company's details. This section is where you can make changes to your company's official name, address, email, and any other contact information that might require updating. It's essential to ensure all these details are correct, as this is the information that external parties will rely on to reach you. As you edit these details, take a moment to review each field comprehensively. Verify that the spelling of your company's name is accurate and that the address reflects your current location. When it comes to updating the email address, make sure to use an email that is actively monitored so you don't miss out on crucial communications. If your business has relocated or has recently rebranded, these are the perfect opportunities to make those necessary changes. Once you've finished inputting the updated information, don't forget to save these changes. At the bottom of the page, there should be a Save button. Clicking this will ensure that all the adjustments you made are stored in the system. Without saving, any modifications will be lost, and you'll have to go through the update process again. To ensure everything went smoothly, it might be a good idea to briefly navigate away from the page and return to check that your new details have been successfully recorded. Updating your company's details might seem like a small task, but maintaining up-to-date information is vital for the effective and smooth operation of your business's communications and interactions. It ensures that you appear professional and organized to clients, partners, and potential connections. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide clear and helpful. If you need further assistance, feel free to reach out, and as always, stay connected for more valuable insights.